Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a different topic. Basically I'm going to review Umidigi A5 Pro. I bought it yesterday. It took almost 1 month, more than a month to come from China. I live in Canada, and after waiting for more than a month, I unboxed it yesterday. So right now I just opened it, and there is some an error. I don't know what it is. It's asking me to reset the factory reset. I never opted for it. As you see, it's restarting. So finally it restarted, and it keeps freezing again and again. See, it doesn't. The software is quite buggy. Basically, after a half a day of using this phone, the main characteristic of this phone or main review of this phone is it's quite buggy. Basically, the software is so buggy. The specifications are really good. That's the reason why I bought it. It is 4 GB RAM and 6.2 FHD. The screen is 6.2 inch, and the it's Android, stock Android. So there is not much spam or not much bloating software. But the thing is, the specifications don't match, or rather the performance doesn't match the specifications, and it's quite freezing, and it doesn't really. Now I'm not able to even go beyond the lock screen. So if you go to check the settings, and if you go to check the system, advanced, about phone. So if you see the device, it has 4 GB RAM, 32 gigs of ROM, and Android 9. And as you see, I have the latest update. The Umidigi mentioned that if you update to the latest update, it is not buggy, but still I have it. So yeah, this is Umidigi A5 Pro, and it is, the phone looks good and nice, but the software doesn't perform. So the performance doesn't match the specifications, and I don't recommend buying Umidigi. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch my other videos.